How do I sell a house for cash?
How do you sell a house for cash? You give me a call. I'll come out and take a look at it. I do a 30 to 45-minute walkthrough on the house. And that means I'm looking at the house. I'm also talking to you, trying to find out what you're trying to accomplish. Are you trying to get a quick close? Do you not want to worry about fixing anything? Whatever your situation is. Do you have 7 siblings that are scattered all over the country and one person here in town that is the sole contact? What are your goals? What are you hoping to get out of the house? And then, hopefully 99% of the time I'm willing to make an offer and can make an offer on the house. And a lot of times that makes sense for them. The price it's a fair price, but it's got to be a win-win. It's got to be a win for you. It's got to be a win for us, right? And I'm not going to get rich on any house, but I obviously do have to make a few dollars to keep the lights on. So,
Understandably.
yeah.